this video, I'm going to talk about the third example of finding the center coordinate and the radius from this equation right over here. And we have learned that the x value right over here, we choose the negative or positive sign by looking at the next number right over here. We learned that the x or y values negative or opposite, a negative or a positive sign should be depends on the next number's sign, and if it's negative, the x value we're gonna be positive, and the next number, if it's positive, the next number we're gonna be negative. For x number, the next number is negative, so we figure out that x is positive. And for y, the next number right over here, it is positive, so y value will become negative. And if we solve this equation as we did last time, I'll write this equation one more time. X minus 13.4 squared plus y plus 2.6 squared minus is equal to 100. As we have learned that we need to take square root of it into the every terms in order to simplify the square and find the values of each nominals. And it will gonna be equal to, so x is equal to 13.4 right over here, which is opposite of the value of negative 13.4. And for y, it should be opposite of positive 2.6, which is equal to negative 2.6. We have learned this last time. And this is our center coordinate. And for radius is equal to square root of 100 right over here, which is equal to 10. And we have learned that the center, if there is, I'll draw a circle right over here. If there's a circle like that, that means the center right over here. Oh, I did a wrong thing. The center right over here, if there's a center and like right over here, this is our radius. And if you say that this is our center point, the center point's coordinate will gotta be 13.4, which is an x value, and for y value we're gonna be minus 2.6. And for radius, right over here, the value of radius, we're gonna be equal to the square of 100, which is equal to 10. And this is our, we just found the radius and the center coordinates using this circle equation. And we need to know that if this length is 10, all of the lengths that is kind of distance formula, and all of the lengths such as right over there, it is also equal to radius, so the lengths of these lines should also be 10 right over here. And we have finished the center, finding the center coordinate example and finding the radius example. And we finally got the answer that radius is equal to 10, and for center coordinate, the x value is 13.4 and the y value is negative 2.6. And we are done.